Hello guys, welcome to my first unboxing video. I forgot that I was going to show this for an unboxing, and out of my excitement, I just immediately started opening it. But I got these off of Etsy, and they're going to be used as aggradon Lancer proxies, and um and I may use them in a few D&D campaigns. But I will link the shop that I got these from down below. And I can't wait to open these. Hold on. This is my first product from the person. So it's gonna be a new experience for all of us. Box goes down there. Foam in here. In here. In here. Okay. So let's set you guys up. Let's set you guys up somewhere. I'm gonna use this. Oh god, I didn't have a stand for this. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, so I'll have to do this one-handed. No, hold on. Oh wow. Oh wow. Look at this. Wow. The qualities on these are so good. Yes, I'm gonna give this guy a fantastic review. No way you can't give this guy a fantastic review. Hold on. I forgot my phone stand, so this is a pain for me because I don't want to break these, but these are so durable. Wow, look at them. Look at these. Absolutely fantastic. This is the last mount. I got a group of 3 because I do not expect on doing a lot of lizardmen. I'm more than likely going to use these as lizardmen proxies and Kroot proxies. But look at them. Hold on. Look at them. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolute gorgeous models. Yes. The 3 bases that come with. I don't want to break this. I do not want to break these models. Hold on. Uh-oh. Did I break it? Or, yeah, I broke it. I broke it a little. I'll glue this back together, but other than that, wow. Look at this. You go over here. Hold on, time to open up this other piece. Look at them. Look at these guys. I will do another video. Hold on. Or I think these came separated. Yeah, these are too clean to have broken. Or I think this one broke. Well, this one didn't break because it's supposed to be like that. I don't know. I'll glue these on, and you guys can give me suggestions on which ones I should put together first. This is their commander. Well, this is the end of my first unboxing video. Can't wait to make another one when I buy more stuff from him. But yeah, I might make a video of me painting these. Have a good day to all of you fantastic folks. And as I said, I will post the link to his Etsy shop. Actually, I might not just post it in the description, but I also might post it in my bio. Have a good day to all of you fine, fancy, beautiful people. And may you guys continue crusading on the tabletops.